Namaste students, I am Vanita Raut and you are watching VVR Creation. Today we will discuss about periodic classification of elements. Before starting this topic, I want to tell you link of test is given in description box. Solve this test repeatedly until you get full marks. Let's start. In this lesson, elements are arranged on the basis of their properties as number 1. Frobenius triads. He is a German scientist. In the year 1817, he classified the existing element in a tabular form by placing 3 elements having similar properties in a group called triad. He arranged the 3 elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic mass and showed atomic mass of the middle element is approximately the mean of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements. As there were some limitations of the Frobenius triads, from there a second theory was evolved called Newland's octave. Let's start. Newlands arranged all the 56 existing elements at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Every 8th element had properties similar to that of the first. Then further Newland's octave was modified to Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev arranged all the 63 known elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses and showed the repetition of chemical and physical properties of elements after certain intervals. There was more research done on Mendeleev's periodic table. It led to modern periodic table. Let's start. Modern periodic table. Henry Moseley arranged elements in an increasing order of their atomic numbers and showed that the atomic number of an element is the more fundamental property than its atomic mass. Number 2. There were 7 periods and 18 groups. There are total 118 elements in the modern periodic table. Come we will see modern periodic table in details. When the physical and chemical properties of elements in an period or a group of the modern periodic table are compared, certain regularity is observed in their variations. This is called as periodic trends in the modern periodic table. Valency, atomic size, metallic and non-metallic character, electropositivity and electronegativity, etc. are some properties of elements which show periodic trends. We will compare this character with period and groups. Number 1 character, valency electron in a period increases from 1 to 8, in a group remains same. Number 2 atomic size in a period decreases except noble gases and in a group it is increases. Third character, metallic character, it is decreases in period and increases in group. Fourth, non-metallic character, it is increases in period and decreases in group. Fifth, electropositivity, it is decreases in period and increases in group. Sixth, electronegativity, it is increases in period and decreases in group. Solve this test on periodic classification of element. Link of the test share in description box. Try to solve test. Best of luck. Thank you.